Hey there, it's Megan with WTI, and whether I am having my adventures on land or on water this summer, I can always have my snacks nearby thanks to this floating cooler from Cooler Cruiser. We always want to have food with us, but because we spend a lot of time near or on water, obviously we don't want our food getting wet, so this cooler is perfect. It has really sturdy and strong handles on both sides, which I think makes it really easy to carry around. We can open up the entire top to fill it up with ice and food, and it has amazing storage capacity. But I also think it's so convenient that we can easily access our food by means of the smaller top hatch on the cooler. Something that can always be a challenge when we're out doing our outdoor activities is where we can put our drinks so they won't tip over and spill everywhere. I'm a big fan of the 4 drink holders in this cooler. That completely solves this issue. Even though this cooler is designed to float really well on water, I find it also great on land too. It has a great sturdy base. It's really stable on whatever surface I put it on, and it doesn't tend to be tipping over. Overall, I've been really impressed by just how well made this cooler is. It is going to add so much to our outdoor adventures. It keeps ice in it, and it keeps our food fresh and cool just the way that we want it. But that's just my point of view.